Hello and welcome to Fireside History. Last time we discussed Mursili's victories now and his losses. Now we'll be discussing, how he struggled with plague. Um, Now, one of the terrible uh, things that he inherited as part of the legacy of Shupilulumish was the plague, and the belief that Shupilulumish's murder of his brother, Tudalia, had cursed the land of Hati. So, and none were more conscious of this than Mursili himself. Now, in his prayer to the sun goddess, we get an amazing amount of insight into the man's mind and into his piety. Truly deserves to be called Mursili the Pious. What is this, O gods, that you have done? A plague you have led into the land. The land of Hati, all of it is dying. So no one prepares sacrificial loaves and libations for you. The plowmen who used to work the fields of the gods are dead. To mankind our wisdom has been lost, and whatever we do right comes to nothing. O gods, whatever sin you behold, either let a prophet rise and declare it, or let the old women or the priests learn about it, or let ordinary people see it in a dream. O gods, take pity again on the land of Hati. On the one hand, it is afflicted with plague. On the other, it is afflicted with hostility. The protectorates beyond the frontier, namely the land of Mitanni and the land of Arzawa, each one has rebelled. Moreover, those countries which belong to the land of Hati, namely the land of Kashka, also the land of Arawana, the land of Kalashma, the land of Luka, the land of Pitasha. These lands have also renounced the sun goddess of Arena. Now all the surrounding countries have begun to attack the land of Hati. Let it again become a matter of concern to the sun goddess of Arena. O God, bring not your name into disrepute. And now this is a very interesting prayer, and it would appear that, Mursili was very worried about what the gods thought of his father having broken his oath to his own brother, Tudalia the Younger, in order to seize the throne. So, a lot of this was believed to kind of be Mursili's fault, and Mursili bore the brunt of it emotionally. And this must have been a very traumatizing thing to endure. Now, we're going to stop there because next we're going to... Now, real quick, before I actually go off, announcing what the next video is going to be about, I have to remember that, to inform you that the plague did eventually break. And some attributed it to Mursili's heartfelt prayers and sacrifices to the gods. Now, next time we'll be discussing the biggest problem Mursili faced. His treacherous stepmother, Malnagal, or Tawanana, as she's called. And this is probably the episode that all Anatolia Story Red River fans have been waiting for. So leave a like if you liked the video. Leave a comment. Crush that subscribe button, as we're really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to also hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more videos of ours. And to share if you feel so obliged towards us. We'd be really in your debt for that. So, till next time, toodles!